Okay, so this is a Lishi Kwikset 1 lockpicking tool. It's kind of what locksmiths can use for a more effective way to get entry into a home than other forms of picking. So these are all 3 Kwikset locks. We're going to see how fast I can get entry into all 3 of them. And go. During the process, what I'm feeling for is which one of these are stiff. Any of them that are stiff, I'm going to go ahead and go down until they click. As they click, it's moving all of the pins inside of the locking mechanism to the right location so that once I get it right, the lock will go ahead and open. Move down to our second one. So, here we go, we have a stiff one on 2. No resistance, now 1. There it is, which then sets us up for 4. 5, still nothing, 3, and we're in 2. Going into our third lock now. 5, 1, 2, 4,